So hello students, in this video I will cover about the IUPAC nomenclature in case of branched chain hydrocarbons. So here in the general formula we will have this prefix plus word root plus primary suffix. So because we are having the side chain or substituent group added to the parent chain, so prefix is added just before the word root. So prefix is substituent. If we are having, it can have all these fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo, nitro or alkoxy group. So all these groups are considered as the substituent group. And it can also have the side chain which is called the alkyl group. So I will explain here what is the alkyl group. So earlier last video we have talked about the alkane. So what is alkane? Alkane general formula is CnH2n plus 2. So when we remove one hydrogen from alkane, then alkyl group is formed. So here we can write it will become CnH2n plus 2, which is the alkyl group. So we can see few examples of this, like CH4 methane. One hydrogen removed, it forms CH3 methyl group. C2H6 ethane forms C2H5 ethyl group. And then from propane, hydrogen removed, it forms N-propyl group. Because it is straight chain, so then N-propyl group. If it is written in this form, so then it is called isopropyl. And this is the tertiary butyl CCH3 thrice. So all these are the examples of the alkyl groups which can be attached to the parent carbon chain. So few rules are there for the IUPAC nomenclature of these compounds. First rule is there. Okay, suppose we have a long chain of organic compound. Like here we can see this is a long chain. So while giving the numbers to the parent carbon chain, two ways are there. Either from we can do like this. So then if we see, it will come C9. 9 carbon atom parent chain will be there. And another way is there that we can number like this also. We can number like this also. So in this case, what is there? It is having the 8 carbon atom. So it is the C8 parent chain. So according to the rule, it is said longest carbon chain is identified as a parent chain or word root. So we will take this C9 as a parent chain. And according to the word root, because C9, the word root will be non plus N because it is having only single bonds. So then rule number 2. So according to this, numbering is done in such a way that the branched carbon atom gets the lowest possible numbers. So the branched atom carbon atom should get the lowest possible number. If we see this simple chain having this C9 chain having these two substituents, here one side chain is there and this is the another side chain. So if we do numbering from left to right, so then these side chain will get the number C2 and this is the C6 carbon. So the side chain will get the numbering of 2 and 6. But if in the opposite way from right to left we give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then side chain will get the numbering of 4 and 8. So this is the higher numbering. So this is not done. This is the wrong way and this is the right way. Here the substituent or side chain is getting the lesser numbering 2 and 6. Then rule number 3. If different alkyl groups are present on parent chain, they are listed in alphabetical order. So with this example, we can understand that this is a parent chain and two different these side chains, alkyl groups are present here. This is one alkyl group, this is another. This is the methyl group and this is the ethyl group. So according to the alphabetical order, this ethyl will come first and then methyl. So while writing the name, then the prefix, first will come the prefix, and prefix may this ethyl will come first according to the alphabetical order. So first we will write the position of this ethyl group, 6 ethyl, then 2 methyl, and word root for this is 9 carbon atom, so this is non, and ane is added. So this is the name 6 ethyl 2 methyl non ane. So then rule number 4. If 2 or more identical substituents are present, so then what will we do? So these are 2 examples. So this is the first example. So both these substituents are same. This is methyl, this is also methyl group. So when we write the name for this, we will write simply, we will have to specify the position of both these groups, and we will write 2,4 dimethyl pentane. Next example, in this carbon is having 2 methyl groups and this is having 1 methyl group. So parent chain numbering will start from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will write the name, 2 methyl groups are at C2, 2, and this is for 4, 2, 4 trimethyl pentane. So in this way we will write their names. So next rule number 5 is there. So if we see this compound, so if we give the numbering to the carbon atoms from left to right, then this group, ethyl group, will get the 3 number and this methyl group will get the 6 number. So if we start numbering from right to left, then this will get the 1, 2, 3. This will get the number 3. Methyl group will get 3 and this will get, ethyl will get 6. But in such cases, while writing the IUPAC name, according to the alphabetical order, the substituent which comes first should be given the lower number. So this is the wrong way and this is the right way. So because ethyl group will come first by the alphabetical order, it should be numbered as the lower. Lower numbering should be given to it. So what will be the name of this compound? The name will be 3-ethyl 6-methyl. 6-methyl, 8 carbon are there. So 8 carbon के लिए what we will write, octane. 3-ethyl 6-methyl octane. So this will be the name of this compound. So then rule number 6, if we see if we see some very complicated side chain is attached to the parent chain. So suppose this side chain is there. This side chain is there which is attached to the parent chain. So how will we name this side chain? So the carbon atom of the branched chain that attaches to the parent chain is numbered 1. This is the parent chain, and this carbon is attached to the parent chain. So this will be given the number 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the name of this side chain will be 1,3-dimethyl-butyl. This will be 1,3-dimethyl-butyl. So with one example, we can understand this. So this is one looking very complicated compound. So how to name with this? Now, suppose we take the parent chain like this. So then we can see it will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. C10 C10 chain is there. And it can be, parent chain can be taken like this also, like this. So let us see how many carbon atoms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So both ways it is a C10 carbon chain. So there is a rule for this case. It is said, if two chains of equal size are there, then chain with more number of side chains is selected. So because here the same case is there, so we have to select the parent chain with more number of side chains. So we will take this parent chain, because in this case this is one side chain, this is one side chain, and this is one side chain. So 3 side chains are there. So we will select this as a parent chain. Okay, and numbering is done from the end closer to the substituent. So while numbering the carbon atoms, we have to start from this carbon, because it is closer from this side, it is closer to the substituent. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so then how will we write the name for this? So as we see, this is also a side chain. So first let us write the name for this side chain. So with this carbon is the carbon which is attached to the parent chain. So this will be given number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 5. So name, it will, because 4 carbon chain is there, so it will be but. And because it is an alkyl group, butyl. And before this, we have to add the position of the substituent, and it is the 2, and this is the ethyl group. So 2-ethyl. So this side chain, name of this side chain will be 2-ethyl-butyl. And always this side chain is written in parenthesis, is written like this, when this is a long side chain. So writing the name of this compound, we will specify the position of this side chain. It is 5 number carbon atom, 5 dash in bracket 2-ethyl-butyl bracket close, this is for the side chain, and then it is 2 more methyl groups are there on the carbon 3, so it will be 3,3-dimethyl, and C10 chain is there. Word root will be det plus ane, detane. So this will be the name of this compound. So a few examples I will try to discuss today with you. So let us take this. These till now we have covered the branched chain hydrocarbons which was saturated, but it can also we can also have the branched unsaturated hydrocarbons. So in that case, what will we do? So for this, this will be the general IUPAC nomenclature formula: prefix plus word root plus primary suffix, and primary suffix can be double bond or triple bond also. So this is first example. So in this case, this side chain is also there and double bond is also there. So 2 ways we can, if we go in numbering the carbon atom from left to right, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So then methyl group, if we, yes. So according to this, double bond we can write, double bond will get the position of 1 and 3. And methyl group will get the position of 2 and 3. But if we go in numbering from right to left, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So then double bond will get the position of 1 and 3. And methyl group will get the 2 and 3. So here we see in both cases it is same. Either we do numbering from left to right or right to left. So there is no difference. So it is fine. So we will write the name, what we will write, because like a prefix is, first is the prefix. Prefix is this methyl group 2,3-dimethyl. Name will be first, it starts like this, 2,3-dimethyl. And because 4 carbon chain is there, but 1,3-1,3-diene. So this will be the name of this. Next example is this. So here we can see while numbering, there is one more rule according to which, because in this double bond and substituent both are there. So to whom we should give the priority, double bond or the substituent, or the side chain. So according to this rule, lower numbering is given to double or triple bond. So in this case, we have to give the numbering like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because in this way, double bond is getting the lower numbering. So what will be the name? We will write 2-methyl. 2-methyl, and then because 4 carbon atom, so but 1-ene. So then next is this example is there. So here also we have, for numbering, we have to go from left to right. So from left to right we will number it. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So methyl group is on the position of 4. Methyl group position is 4. So we will write the name 4-methyl. 5 carbon atom chain is there, pent 1-ine. This will be the name. 4-methyl pent 5 carbon atom and 1-ine. For this we can write, so numbering will be like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3,3-dimethyl but 1-ine. This will be the name. 3,3-dimethyl but 1-ine. So as we discussed earlier, if like this chloro, fluoro, bromo groups are present on the hydrocarbon, so then they are also considered as the substituent. So let us take few examples of those compounds like this. In this case, this is 2 carbon atom, means that this is ethane. This is ethane, and 1, 2. We will give numbering like this. This will be the 1 carbon atom. This is the 2. So 3 chloro groups are there. So name will be 1,1,1 trichloroethane. Second example, in this case, here 1, 2. 2 chloro groups are on C1 and 1 chloro group on C2. 1, 1, 2 trichloroethane. And in this, like 1 carbon is having 3 chloro group and another is having 1. So 1, 1, 1, 2 tetrachloroethane. So this was all about the IUPAC nomenclature of the hydrocarbon compounds. And next video I will be covering the IUPAC nomenclature of the organic compounds having the functional groups. So thank you so much. Thank you.